So it's my second week of a full week of work. And with that, there are some fringe benefits. Leftover stuff. Let's take a look. It's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna figure this out. So judging by a lot of stuff, it all tastes good. This is gonna be super easy. I have some vegan lemon aioli. I have some dill yogurt, some caramelized onions. We're gonna make some easy French dip. The world is a dumpster fire, but your dip doesn't have to be. Cut. Alright, let's taste it. Got a chip.